Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our exercise 9.4. So our exercise 9.4 question number 1 is multiply the binomials. So these are the binomials. This involve two terms and this involve also two terms. So we have to multiply this binomial, that is 2x plus 5 with 4x minus 3. So how we multiply these binomials? First we will multiply this first term with both the sides of other term. So we will multiply this 2x with both the sides of other term, that is 4x minus 3, plus the sign of this plus. Then we multiply this 5 with both the side of this, 5 into 4x minus 3. So on multiplying you will obtain 2x into 4x is 8x cube minus 2x into 3x is 3 is 6x plus 5 into 4x is 20x, 5 into minus 3 is minus 50. So we will obtain 8x cube plus minus minus and sign of bigger term, that is 14x minus 50. So this is your required answer. So this is your required answer. Next we will do other part also, that is your y minus 8. We have to multiply this y minus 8 with 3y minus 4. First we will multiply this y with both the terms of this term, that is y into 3y minus 4. Next we will multiply this is sign of minus term, we will multiply this 8 with both the terms of this 3y minus 4. So on multiplying you will obtain 3y square minus 4y minus 24y plus 32. Minus into minus is plus. So on solving we will obtain 3y square minus minus will add, that is 28 and sign of bigger term is minus, so 28y plus 32. So this is your required answer. So here the multiplication of 4 and 8 is not 12, this is 32. So answer is this 32. So this is your required answer. So next we will do another part also. So we will do this part, that is your, first we have to multiply this 2p cube with both the terms, that is we have to multiply this 2p cube with both the terms, that is 3p cube minus 2q square. Next we have to multiply this 3q square with both the terms, that is 3p cube minus 2q square. So on multiplication what will we obtain? 3 into 2 is 6, the power of p will become 2, the power of q will become 2, minus 2 to the 4, the power of p will become same, and the value power of q will become 3, plus 3 into 3 is 9, the power of p remains same, and the power of q become 2 plus 1, that is 3, minus 3 to the 6, the power of q will become 2 plus 2, that is 4. So on solving what we will obtain? We can solve these two pair, because here this is pq square, pq cube, and this is also pq cube. So we will obtain 6p square q square plus minus minus and sign of bigger term. So 9 minus 4 is 5 p q cube minus 6q 4. This is your answer. So you will obtain this answer. So again other parts are also same. We have to multiply this 3 upon 4 with all the term of this, and we have to multiply this 3b square with all the term of this. You can do it. So 3 upon 4 a square plus 3b square multiply by 4. 4 is outside the bracket. First we will take this 4 inside the bracket. So 4 into a square is 4a square minus 4 into 2 is 8 upon 3b square. Then we have to multiply this first term with all this term, then second term with all this term. So you will obtain the answer to be 3a power 4 10 a square b square minus 8 b the power 4. Next we will do